Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The reason why I'm talking so low is because it is currently 2:43 in the morning. As you can see, I don't know why it's not showing you, but it is 2:43 in the morning. And the reason why it's so late is because I haven't had time to film all day until now, and everyone in my house is sleeping. So I'm gonna try to talk as low as possible, but also try to project so that you guys can hear me. But whatever. Are you guys feeling this mug? Are you? Because I'm feeling it. So for today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new BRETMAN Rock Highlighter Palette with Morphe brushes, the Morphe X BRETMAN Rock Highlighter Palette. You guys have seen this everywhere. It's literally coming out today, which is March 13th, literally the time you're seeing this video. This is the PR package. I received this about 6 days ago, but I have not been able to do a full review on it because I've been so freaking busy. But I'm finally back on my YouTube game, so yeah, I obviously opened it. So yeah, I had opened it to do an unboxing on Snapchat, but I have not swatched it nor tried it on or anything. So yeah, if you want to know my full thoughts and review on the Morphe X BRETMAN Rock Highlighter Palette, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I look like a hot mess right now because I don't have my hair done, but I will be putting on a cute little wig on later. But here is the palette out of the box. I'm really excited because the packaging is absolutely beautiful, and I kind of did my eye inspired by the packaging if you haven't noticed. And this is what the palette looks like when you open it. So you, I just literally stabbed into the gold highlighter. Same. So we do have a variety of shades. This one is called Shady Bitch, the darkest one. That's so funny. This one's called Chiho. This one's called Get Laid. This one's called Mahu. This one's called Vacation. And this one's called BB Girl. So it's kind of cute. I love the names. BRETMAN Rock is actually really funny. I'm I know BRETMAN, we kind of know each other, we knew each other last year. I only met him once, and he's so freaking sweet. We follow each other on Twitter, but I don't really know him like that, but he's so freaking sweet, and I'm so happy that he has a highlighter palette with Morphe brushes, because honestly, that's goals as fuck. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out. I'm gonna be swatching them on my hand so you guys could see. So let's do that. I'm gonna swatch BB Girl first. Now you guys know I'm the worst swatcher of life. So this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a pinky white shimmery shade. It's not like white, intense white like how it looks on the monitor. Now let's try Vacation. Oh, you see that? Oh, that's so pretty. Yes. This one is called Mahu. And then this one's called Get Laid. Ooh, that one's really nice. They're kind of similar, but they're very different at the same time. This one is called Chiho. It's a really pretty pink shade, but it reads a little bit more of a dark gold on camera. And then this one over here is called Shady Bitch. Now it's extremely dark. So I feel like this is a really good color to bronze with. Even though I hate shimmer bronzers, I feel like this is a really good color to bronze with. But yeah, these are the highlighters swatched on my arms. I'm the worst swatcher of life, so don't clock me. But yeah, these are really pretty highlighters. I live. Alright guys, so before I swatch the highlighters on my face, I'm going to obviously be spraying my face with some Fix Plus. This is the coconut version. I love this one. It smells so good. I just do this to prepare for highlight. I always do this step because when the skin is very moist and damp, the highlighter just glides on beautifully. So I always do this step beforehand. You know, just a subtle mist, nothing too crazy. Alrighty, so now that my face is kind of damp and dry, I'm going to be using the Morphe M510 brush, one of my favorite all-time highlighter brushes. And I'm kind of just going to go with the shades that kind of match, like, what will look best on my skin. So I'm going to be going in with Get Laid first, which is this one over here. And just hope for the best. So this shade is called Get Laid. Oh, bitch. Okay. Huh. That's a really pretty highlighter. Do you guys see that? And then on this side, I kind of want to do Vacation just to see how it looks. Oh, bitch. Hold up. Now that's bright. Do you see that shit? Oh my goodness. Okay, now this one's my favorite. This one is Get Laid, and then this one is Vacation. Yes, bitch. I kind of want to put some Vacation on this side though, to mix it. Ooh. Bitch, we are glowing for the gods today, girl. I'm gonna put some on my Cupid's bow, chin, and then on the highest point of my cheeks, I'm gonna be going in with BB Girl, just on the highest point of my cheeks, just to get us like that really intense like glow. I love how all the highlighters blend beautifully with one another. Like, they do not, like, look ugly when you mix them. Oh, that's sickening. I always go back with my blush just to blend this out and make sure there are no harsh edges. Because I hate it when a highlighter looks too clocky or too, like, stamped on there. You want to make sure everything looks blended and seamless. So always go back with, like, your blush or bronzer brush to, like, make sure that everything looks good. And then with a detailed brush, I'm just going to be highlighting my nose with BB Girl mixed with Vacation. Always go back and make sure you blend out those edges. Alrighty guys, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, the highlighter looks extremely nice. Now, I'm kind of feeling just a little extra. I kind of want to highlight my forehead, and I'm going to be highlighting with a teeny bit of this one over here, the pink one. I feel like it's going to look a little too dark, but let's just play around and see. I'm going to highlight this part of my brow. Ooh, that's subtle. And I just want to look glowy as fuck. Okay, that's kind of a little too much. Oh my god, but I'm living for this highlighter though. It's really nice. I would highlight my brow bone, but I do not want the highlighter to get on my eyelashes, and my eyebrows are not done, so if I were to highlight my brows, the hairs would look insane, so I'm not going to be doing that. But yeah guys, this is the highlighter. Now I'm going to be doing my lips off camera and putting on some hair, and then I'll be right back to give you my full thoughts on the BRETMAN Rock and Morphe Brushes highlighter palette. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. Now, don't clock my wig. I know it looks a little clocky, and I know you can see my sideburns a little bit, but I had no idea what to put on my hair, whatever. But yes, this is the final look. So here are my final thoughts on the Morphe X BRETMAN Rock Highlighter Paradise Palette. I think it's 100% worth it for I don't think I even said the price, girl. But for $28 or $29, you get 6 beautiful shades. Now, if you are of lighter complexion, I wouldn't really recommend this. I would recommend this more for people who are medium to tan to dark, because this does complement people who have darker skin tones, not so much lighter skin tones, which I actually really like that, because there's not a lot of highlighter palettes that a lot of dark skin people or women of color or men of color could use. So I'm really happy that Bretman Rock came through and brought us a highlighter palette that works for absolutely almost every skin color, because honestly, if you're very white or pale, you could use these two. But if you want to use the entire palette, I recommend, if you are darker skin tone, to get this, because like I said, this palette is a little bit more for like darker skin tones, but anyone could use this palette. So yeah, Bretman Rock, I'm so excited for you. This is amazing. I cannot wait to see everyone buying this, because this is absolutely worth it. As you can see, I have it on my cheeks. Don't mind my sideburns. I have it on my cheeks. I have it on my chest and my shoulders. And yeah, I'm really obsessed. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other ideas you want me to do, anything that you have in mind, let me know down below, and I will get to it as soon as I can. My Instagram and Twitter is MorphineLove, MUA, and my Snapchat is MorphineLove. I will also be putting that down below as well. I love you guys so much, and please stay safe.